Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your name in Microsoft Teams. Whether you need to update your display name for a more professional appearance or simply want to correct a mistake, it's quick and easy to do. So, let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Once it's open, make sure you are signed into your account using your credentials. If you are not logged in yet, do that first before proceeding. Next, in the top right corner of the Teams window, you will see your profile picture or your initials if you haven't set a picture. Click on that to open a drop-down menu with various options related to your account settings. From the drop-down menu, look for the option that says Edit Display Name. You will see a small pencil icon next to your name. Click on it to begin editing your name in Teams. Once you are in the editing window, you can now update your first name and surname as needed. Make sure everything is spelled correctly and feel free to make any necessary changes. This is your chance to ensure your name is displayed the way you want it. After you have made your changes, you'll need to click Save at the bottom of the screen to confirm the updates. Be sure to save your changes or else they won't take effect and you might lose all the updates you just made. Once you have saved the changes, it might take a moment for the updates to appear across Teams. If you don't see your new name immediately, you can try refreshing the app. Simply close and reopen Teams, or you can restart the app to force the changes to show. And that's it. Now you know how to change your name in Microsoft Teams, which is an easy way to personalize your account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.